Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So back in 2016, I did a video collaboration with Some More Love TV regarding the best hair vendors off of AliExpress that I've ever had hair from, and it's pretty long overdue for me to update or kind of update you guys on that list of hair vendors that I recommend, solely based off of my experience, of course. When watching that video, a lot of the vendors that I did recommend in that video, till this day, I still stand by it. I think. Let me double check real quick. So looking at the video, my top 5 best AliExpress hair vendors 2016. I did list Peerless Hair Company as #1, which still to this day, they are still #1 in my book for hair quality. Grace Hair Company is still #1. VIP Beauty Hair Company, I no longer wear their hair. I no longer purchase hair from them either. MS Hair Company, I recently ran into some issue with hair. I didn't purchase, but a client purchased hair from them, and the issue had happened about 3 times, one time too many, so I don't really recommend them in 2019. I still recommend Yvonne Hair Company till this day because of the fact that they offer afro texture hair at a very affordable cost. When it comes down to yaki straight, kinky straight, and kinky curly hair patterns, I still recommend Yvonne Hair Company. So now we're in 2019, and my list has changed completely based off of a number of things: quality, longevity, and affordability. I am a frugalista. I love to save a coin in every aspect of my life whenever I can. So this top 5 list of hair vendors are not only the best quality, best for longevity, but they are each affordable. And I'm talking about no more than maybe $180 for your bundles and a closure or frontal, etc., etc. Okay? #1 for best quality, longevity, and affordability is Ryu Hair Company. I've done a review on their Peruvian straight hair, and I've also purchased hair from them since that video has gone up. I've purchased deep wave curly hair from them. I've purchased body wave hair from them. I've even made wigs for clients using their hair. My clients would go purchase their hair from Ryu, and I would make their wig. Yeah, it lasts very long. You can bleach and dye the hair. I've had 0 complaints with that hair whatsoever, so I still to this day will recommend them for good hair extensions. #2 is IC Hair Company. OMG, the quality of their hair is just superb. They are more on the not too expensive, but they're priced pretty good in my opinion, as far as, you know, per bundle, and even with their bundle deals, bundle with closures, bundle with frontals, you're not going to spend no more than $200 on your hair extensions. And I'm talking about for the girls who like inches, you're not going to spend a whole bunch of money on their hair. And I like the fact that they do not have super long options. And when I say super long, I'm talking about length. The cutoff is 26 inches, and that's it. And I actually reached out to the vendor, like, why don't you guys have like 30 inches? And they're like, oh, well, it takes a very long time to produce those lengths. If someone were to reach out to them and want those lengths, they will go ahead and see how to go about getting those lengths for that client or that customer. So yeah, this #2 is IC Hair. Next on the list is Tinashe Hair Company. Tinashe Hair Company has super affordable hair. Like, oh my god, like their hair is so affordable and it's such good quality. I will say though, when it comes down to their curly hair, the closure and the frontal for their curly hair, it needs a little bit of work. I will say that, because I've had to replace lace closures from units that I've made using their hair on several occasions after months of making the wig. But when it comes down to their straight hair, their body wave hair, their deep wave hair, their loose deep wave hair, they are amazing. Like, just the quality overall, and the fact that they offer larger closures. Like they have 5x5 lace closures, they have 6x6 lace closures, and I love that they give those options, and it's still affordable. You're not going to break the bank if you do want that option when it comes down to having a larger lace closure, or you know, just having more parting space when it comes down to having a sew-in install with the lace closure or sew-in install with a lace frontal. They have 13x6 lace frontals. Just the options that they have and the fact that they are still affordable, I can truly appreciate them as a vendor on AliExpress. And a lot of these companies that I'm mentioning here, they are AliExpress hair vendors, but they do have their own websites. Along with that, they are on Amazon. So you have several different, I guess, ways of getting your hair through these companies. So this next vendor that I recommend for the best and affordable hair is West Kiss Hair, and I'm not sure why they didn't make it on my list in 2016, but in 2019 they are still the hair company that I would recommend for good hair extensions that are of quality and that last. I like the fact that West Kiss Hair also offer lace wigs. So they have like these 13x6 lace front wigs, and those are by far my favorite type of wig, simply because of the pricing and the fact that it gives you all that parting space. You could do a deep side part, you could do a middle part, half up, half down with a 13x6 lace wig. And I recommend West Kiss Hair for lace front wigs, lace closures, lace frontals, bundles, all of that, because the hair is of quality. So I do recommend West Kiss Hair, not only for their hair extensions and closures, but their 13x6 lace frontal wigs. And I'm specifying 13x6 lace frontal wigs because those are the only wigs that I've ordered from the company. Just saying. Alright, so last but not least, number 5 would have to be Ali Pearl. Ali Pearl Hair Company. I put them at number 5 because they are a little bit on the expensive side, but not too expensive. They're a little expensive, but not too expensive. Like they're reasonably expensive because the quality of the hair that they provide. So this company, I've actually worked with them and I've purchased hair from Ali Pearl several times to this day. They're kind of similar to Tinashe hair when it comes down to why I have them on this list, is because they have all these several different options when it comes down to the size of the lace closure that you decide to order. So you can get a 5x5, 6x6, I believe they have a 7x7, I'm not sure, but I do for a fact know that they have 5x5 and 6x6 lace closures, and they also have 13x6 lace frontals, and they offer lace wigs as well. They're just a little bit more steep when it comes to pricing, but it's reasonable. When I look at other hair companies, and I'm talking about hair companies that are either based in the UK, in Canada, in the US, and I see the pricing, I can honestly say if I can purchase from them, I can purchase from Ali Pearl with no problem, because personally I like the quality of hair that Ali Pearl offers when it comes down to their curly hair, their water wave hair, their deep wave hair, loose deep wave, their straight hair, their body wave. Those 6 patterns I will buy again and again from Ali Pearl. However, knowing me, I like to have options when a girl is just not that, rich. I'm going to hit up Icy Hair. I'm going to hit up Ryu. Let me make me a quick little wig using their hair. Okay? Because I don't have Ali Pearl hair money right now. No, I'm just saying, like, just based off of my experience, these are all of the vendors that I would recommend in a heartbeat for some good hair extensions. I feel as if now that I'm really seasoned in this hair game, I know who has the top of the line and I know who just does not. And speaking of that, I do have a follow-up video talking about all of the worst hair vendors that I've ever come across. So definitely be on the lookout for that video. I really truly hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys have any vendors that you would recommend to my subscribers or whoever else, leave them down below in the comment section and let's talk about it. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.